Hello, my name is Wayne Chan and I'm your Patient Relations Manager, and welcome to your weekly tip. Today we're going to talk about the maintenance and care of your hearing devices. Your hearing devices are a miniature sophisticated device that sits behind and inside the ear. So it's only natural that because it's something you wear every day, it will be exposed to debris, earwax and perspiration. So it's really important that you maintain a daily routine of cleaning it and maintaining it to ensure maximum performance. So here are my 3 tips. Number 1, brush the wax filter. Number 2, use a disinfecting wipe. Number 3, put it in a dehumidifier. If you would like more help and support in developing your daily routine to care for your hearing devices, get in touch with us today and me and my team will be happy to help.